Previously.
I'm stressed out. What a birthday present. Who's rob me? I have to file a complaint. Good morning. Today I am 23. Today I am 23. Whoa. One more year, Panabaga demo. One more year. Girl. One more year. So, as you can tell by the title, it's my day. Hooray. It's officially my day. Hooray. Yeah. So, your girl just wake up. Literally. I don't know if you not smell my breaths, but I'm gonna brush my teeth now. I'm gonna do a little facial for myself. Then I'm gonna go and do my eyebrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrow, my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna do my nose, my nails. Yeah, but kind of set the appointment for the nails, but it's gonna be pushed back. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some food. I'm gonna eat the breakfast as yet. Later on I'm not gonna do nothing. Come have class. I'm gonna have no money, so I gotta stay in my home doing schoolwork as usual. I gotta brush my teeth. God has been good to me. My acne. What is I doing there? What's I doing? I doing on my facial products. Anyways, I'm going to put on this clay mask. First, I just wash my face. I'm gonna put on this clay mask. It's a Garnier Skin Active clay mask. I forgot that I need to put up this on my head because it's kind of blocking my forehead. I did my hair last night. Y'all would have seen that video already. Yeah. Holy, let's put up the edges a little bit, just a little bit. I can use the got to be glue and fix this, but it's so cute. Ooh, earring and this. And this is burning my face, man. It's burning my face, man. Oh my god, my eyes. Alright, so I'm gonna make this stay on for a while. I don't know how people put on them lace front wig, you know. Come on, understand. Why the lace have to on my forehead? God. Whew. What else? My eyes not else than this, you know. Right now, I gotta go. So just the mask, and my face feels cooler. I'm gonna fix back the edges when I'm finished showering. I'm gonna shower now because I gotta go. This is what I'll be wearing. It's a nice little dress. Nice slipper that I got from my aunt, my lovely aunt. And I'm gonna wear this bag because the girl was gonna wear a clutch bag, but I love to carry luggage. Like, I don't know why. My bag have a full, so I have to bring a big bag. And it's new. First time gonna wear it. And it's so cute. I wear a little jacket because I'm not ready up my good body too much. Yes, I hide a little piece, you know. Yeah. As for jewelry, I picked out 2 necklaces and what is bangle, but I can't find them, so I'm just gonna wear these 2 earrings, just that. I need more than that. I'm gonna use my strawberry pound cake spray. Will make me smell like breakfast, as one man say. I bought it from Essence Boutique, and I have the lotion. I said the lotion better than the spray. When you put on the lotion, girl, I'm not even gonna say what people want to do to you. My God. And I have my little vintage glasses. It's a vintage cat eye glasses. Yes, it's as black and white, black and white as the dress and the shoe. So basically that's it. Oh, I need to pack the bag with me. I'm gonna take my water, my big 1 liter water, and I don't think I will use straps, but I'm gonna put them back in the bag. My mask, yeah, let me put that. My lip gloss, hand sanitizer, extra perfume. Oh, yeah, extra perfume. It's Jador. Blisters. Why am I putting blisters? Why do I have blisters in my bag or whatever? A band-aid. Another little sweet sanitizer, which is aromatherapy stress relief scented. My keys. Yes, this is a keychain I bought. I don't remember the name of the place, but I'm gonna find out and tag it in. That's my name, Dakisha. I'm gonna tag it in. S stands for my last name. I'm gonna tag it in the description box, and it's also gonna be on the screen. My card. Coming on no money for me. On the another card. I want all the machine them I work. Yeah. $100 I have. A joke. Yeah, so that's all in this big old bag, and by the time I come home, more things are going on. How can I forget? Umbrella. I don't want no rain wet me up for rainy season. I don't know why September has to be the rainy season. And a little rag. Before I shower, I'm gonna fix back my edges. People notice. And it's not a girly girl. I don't know what to do. Just please. I tried, but I failed. I love it. I'm so upset because I planned my outfit from a long time ago. If your girl just be trying the clothes.
Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that nah killer.
It's actually not look bad. For the shoes, I don't have any shoes that can match this outfit. Doubt it. Let's make this tail wire so it I look up it at the baby ear with the rest because that's not pretty. Hell no. What more hat? Julian, all shoes look with that outfit. Where are you going?
That don't look good.
The shoes?
The ear stand.
No, earstand.
All shoes look.
I don't hear that.
That don't look good.
Not wrong with the slippers, girl.
Nothing wrong with
I don't see
ear.
But my ear?
I like her ear.
Look good.
I like it.
Baby can't baby ear then.
Better ear.
They can try nothing wrong with it.
I
The
feel
ketchup,
away.
nothing wrong with it.
Don't look good. It don't fit her. That ear do not fit her.
Kisha, I like it, yeah.
Me I tell her say it don't look good. It don't fit her.
I feel away. Oh, so the shoes alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
like
come
the
with
slippers.
you, say.
I like the slippers. I'm like the outfit too.
But the ear stand don't fit her.
What, the ketchup?
Overall, it don't look good.
I did, you not like the lace front?
Yeah, and that
It
might be.
don't look good.
But I like it, nothing wrong
It
with
don't
it.
look good.
I mean, I said no, but it look to me.
Me like to tell her the truth.
Yeah. Because
Like
other
the
people
China
might think the
I'm
same.
gonna tell her. Some of them are gonna be hypocritical and tell her.
I don't see nothing wrong with it. I'm what she
It
need
don't
for
fit
though.
her face, so one. Me say she put on better, we gonna fit her face. That don't fit her face.
Wait, maybe when I do my eye.
It don't look, it now gonna look the same way.
I don't want to see here. Nothing wrong with it. I don't like it. Nothing wrong with the way. I like it.
Baby.
But I now wear so long.
Sorry.
Let me show you body there or something.
X what? This is synthetic wig. Nah, I know expensive wig. Oh, look at this one. Oh, what?
That's why me, no one say, thank God, Father God, please that the glad say I am the type.
But I like
Well,
it.
no man now go say this. Well, no. Birthday occasion or nothing, it not worth it.
Good, you have to come out.
Come out where I know look good same way.
Guys. I feel away.
Hello.
Well, guys, truly not like it. What y'all think about it? Tell me, let me know. Oh, my ears swollen.
That one thing with me, you know, it don't fit her face. You see, she put on better other wigs and it fit her
Is
face.
it that I need to take off this stuff?
I don't.
I let it down.
It doesn't matter. It just don't fit your face.
I like it.
It make your face so big and broad. It just don't fit.
Everybody
your face.
know my face become
Yeah,
broad.
but it look obvious now.
Glasses, I know glasses.
Which time
I feel
You can't
away.
ask me.
Truly, I make me feel away.
Fresh door. I want big glasses, you want?
Big?
That no look good.
Big bad.
You not have on nothing white.
I was gonna wear a white and black dress, but it's too revealing, too sexy. We not have black glasses.
We might wonder.
Boy, I make me feel like I don't want to go on the road.
I can't even let her put
Yeah, you have to wear. Oh,
Make sure it come back like how you get it. Come, we shame you.
She can't go on the thing.
me say.
I'm a sister, give it to me.
And
I'm
I'm
the good things, catch you the hot girl.
If some edges that we did, I would have made me respect.
yeah. Alright, you go see the video. The edges was perfect last night.
It not look good
You want to come
enough.
down more? I'm afraid.
No spoilage, yeah. You just have to say that. Well, the glasses make it come off a little bit.
Oh, so nobody now see my ugliness.
Yeah,
Oh,
When I put on
alright.
your mask, you're not going to be so bad.
Me not put on no mask. Take off your earring.
No.
Okay,
The one,
thank
the
you.
bigger one.
Eh? No, me not chain a match today.
Alright, one.
Yes. Bye.
Grab up something.
I feel away.
Anything you catch, just catch me and put me
You
there.
want one man?
Yeah.
A man me a catch, alright.
So put in a bag.
20 of them.
Trying to come back, bro. Trying to come back, bro. Trying to come back, bro.
Busy. Me mess up the edges.
You mess it up?
Yeah.
You want me to gel it back quick
I
and
can
fast?
stay.
I get like a gel upon it quick and fast.
Alright, I'm at the bus stop. Should they let me have glasses? I think it's better. Soon show me the old fit. May I make somebody hold it or just put down phone somewhere. I'm not gonna see it. I might just buy some food and chill. No taxi. Never fix back the edges. It look better. Thank God. Thank God for her. Lifesaver. Well, me like the wig. Me like the wig. This is not the wig that I wanted for my birthday. I wanted a sharp knob wig, but that's next year because this year is spoiled already. So just stick to this guy cheaper. Just did my eyebrows in Burger King bathroom right now because whenever I get to record, phone go shut down for me. And I'm gonna do my nails now because I just eat. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrow. Big up my good body nail tech Simone. Yeah, you can find her on the Greater Pulmore Plaza right in front of the pharmacy. I'm so pissed. I am pissed off. My head hurt me. Me eat idiot. Right now that week I'm want to tear it off of my head. Right now I don't know why it just hurt on my head. My nails finished. I do my nails, guys. But I got the machine just now. We draw some money on a squash machine. And you know, so the machine I run about 2 minutes or more. And the blinking machine I give me my money. Now I have to make complaint. I file a complaint to NCB because a squash machine I go. I file a complaint. I have to file a complaint. So tell them, say, look here now, machine robbed me. But stress out, what a birthday present. Sir, and girl broke, you know. Girl broke and girl ready for go get the little money. I'm stressed out right now that week, yeah. I don't know, I just feel unbugging all my ears, just unbugging. But one girl look at me and asked me if I deep wave to fat. One girl look at me and said, no man, where is it deep wave? I'm like, no, it's actually mixed fiber. And I bought it from Is a Wig, J.A. Okay. Might not even get to take much pictures. I take some pictures, but I don't like them. But I know if we can through them, I will come home for now. I'm gonna have a good fun to take pictures. I'm just stress out. I know some picture would look good too, you know. You know what? I'm gonna try with a little phone. And nothing try, nothing done. So I'm hungry. I like to leftover sandwich. I never eat. Oh, but that TV show no many of them good. Bob. You know if you're not see it. See it here? You don't see it? Why the camera looks so? Okay. What a piece of crosses for me. Now the camera crack. The camera crack. Go straight cross. That's why I now see that little blur. Guys, I can't bother. What? So see my nails here. What the heck? And tomorrow when I'm a friend, she wants to take me to the movies. If not able for a car. Drive? Yeah, like you come. What? Gotcha. I'm dirty cat, you know. I can't look for my food, make it dry. How I plan my birthday isn't how it went. What do you buy one party? Is it just me alone eat the ketchup by itself? I love Heinz ketchup. That's a very, very cool. And fried nice and then ketchup. I thoroughly missed my class. I can't watch it now, it's not hurt me. So I'm going to take a shower. I'm gonna see if I can take some pictures. Then go to my bed. And people are moving me, I watch. So, if the pictures are successful, you will see them in the end of this video. Right, I need to edit the video. I might wake up in the middle of the night and edit this video. Maybe. Just saying there. And then you get put in a full outfit too. I can't believe the camera broke. So see it here, this is it. This is a Jackers. Food is so big. And then here, reach on the back side. But it not smudge up or whatever. Let's see if we can take the picture now.
I deck it, boo. Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.